Welcome to another tiny house in progress video. I'm Martha and Dean is behind the camera. This video is a window into off-grid living. I think the first time we had a conversation with someone about off-grid living was down at a place called the Organic Compound in southern Minnesota. It was a group of just beautiful people who came together and really did some thinking and teaching about living gently on the earth. I remember this couple describing their home, and I wondered, is that off-grid? Because they had a propane-fueled refrigerator. What we learned is off-grid means you bring in what you need. We don't have like electricity lines, we don't have water from a city or whatever. We do have propane. If you're coming to this video hoping to see an elaborate setup for solar panels, this isn't your video. We're not there yet. This is kind of the in-between. I think reality, most people don't get there right away, but this shows us just how we do it. So I hope it's helpful, hope it's interesting. If you like, subscribe and you'll get notifications when there's more videos as we continue with our tiny house in progress. Thanks for watching. Before we get started, I want to point out a couple features of this video. One is there's far less use of music because we want you to experience what it's actually like, the quiet of off-grid living. And secondly, we make a point of freeze framing some things to say, this is something you'd want to have. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Oh, it's pretty pleasant. A little furnace kept this morning.
Oh, yeah.
Little wall heater. rinsing it. Yay!
Oh,
Thank you. Oh. Do you want me to get the other one out for rinsing?
no, I'm just rinsing right there.
Ooh, okay, this burns all of a sudden. Oh, I'm not going to have very good toast today. We've been hearing what we think are wolves. There it is. There we go. At night they sound close. Oh, it's hot.
Okay.
How far, Dean?
Wherever you want to go.
We checked with the county to see what was legal for disposal of our gray water. And because we don't have pressurized water and we're dealing with very small amounts, it's okay to broadcast it across the land. We do have future plans for using it to water gardens when we have
You
gardens.
gonna walk back to Egan with that?
Yeah. take the tape down today, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Trying to broadcast it. And I'll just go in one spot. Yep.
Great.
Well, this is how we get water off grid. We're very fortunate. I've referred to it more than once, to the artesian well. And this is 5 miles, right? 5 miles from the tiny house, so it's a quick run in. We're so thankful. But here we go. Be there soon. And then the water bottles.
So here we got the lithium battery here. And we got all these wires going back here. And they go back and up. And they serve the lights and the fan for in the bathroom. So all you have to do is take these 2 clips that is hooked onto these. Hook the red one here. Whoop. Red one here. And the black one here. And then if you want 110 volts, then you take and put the red one on here. On there. Put the red to this one here. That. And put this black one over the top of this other one here. And put the other. There we go.
And where do you use 110 volts?
Well, just a minute.
Okay.
So then, being that we connected the red here over to here, that goes to the inverter, and then this black one here goes to the black. So that's the positive and black is the negative. So once the DC power goes through the inverter, then you can turn this switch on right here. Did you see? I'll do it again. And then these plugs will plug right into an extension cord. There'll be 110 volts coming out here. It's good.
The lights that we have, like in the bedroom and the living room, are not 110.
No, they're not.
So tell me the situations you'd want to use the inverter for.
Well, for if you want to use a 110 volt lamp, or if you want to use a drill, or you want to use a small saw, or anything that plugs into 110.
Okay.
So that's it. You're good.
And it runs the fan in the bathroom.
Bathroom and all the lights in the house.
Not the solar, but
Not the solar lights up on top of the
yeah.
side. But that's it. That's it for the video.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's all about saving the battery on the cell phone, right? One thing is putting it on airplane mode helps to save the battery significantly. I do that overnight, and also charges faster. And having a portable charging station is a lifesaver, in addition to using the car charger.
All right. What's this indicating, Dino?
We're looking for gas leak in this little furnace. I got this little monitor and we're going to check it out some more.
Check it out. Oh, shoot. Still leaking?
Yeah.
I smell it. I do smell it.
I'll get it fixed.
All right.
We chose the Nature's Head composting toilet. We found it works pretty well, though we're still tweaking the how to use it. You need peat moss to put in the receptacle for these solids. You need instructions for guests because it's not like a sawdust composting toilet where you continually add moss. You've got to have just the right amount of moisture, and we've learned that this type of agitator is far better than a handle one, which is what we started with. I also recommend getting a second pee jug so you're not stuck up a creek without a paddle, so to speak. When you're running one off to empty it, you've always got one in place. Well, that about wraps it up. I'm sure there's much more we could cover, but for now, that's what we've got from the tiny house in progress. Thanks for watching.